It's almost Thanksgiving here in the United States, and I've been preparing this vegan lemon cheesecake. You can probably imagine I don't digest dairy very well, so I just wanted to tell you how much I appreciate you. Whether we've met or not, I still appreciate you, and I invite you to stay connected with me. Go to nonverbalscience.com/connect, and if you want, I'll give you the recipe for this vegan lemon cheesecake. Okay? I hope to connect with you soon. For those of you that are still on this call, can you hear the rain? It is raining like crazy. Oh my gosh, it's November, and I heard thunder out there. But anyway, I wanted to show something to you in case you've never seen a springform pan, or if you already use it. It took me 40 years, 4 decades to figure out that the base of this pan can be turned right side up, upside down. And when you turn it upside down and you place your cake on it, then you take off the ring. It's so much easier to slip your knife under it, because it normally is like this, then you have this lip. You can't even stick your knife under it. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you're doing well, and I want to hear from you soon.